Hi, I'm Emma Cook, the founder of the Australian Natural Soap Company. Our solid shampoo bars offer a great, natural, biodegradable, plastic-free alternative for shampooing and conditioning your hair. But a lot of our customers aren't sure whether they're using them correctly. I thought I'd just give you a few tips to make sure you're making the most out of your products. So first, there's what we call the detox phase. It's like when you go on a detox diet or you cut out alcohol or something like that, your body just takes a little while to get used to it. The same goes for your hair. I mean, if you think about it, over the years you've used some pretty crazy detergents that have stripped the natural oils of your hair and really upset the balance. We only use plant oils in our shampoo bars, so things like sweet almond oil, coconut oil, grapeseed, these are very similar to your natural oils. Because of this, some people find they can be a little heavy or oily when they first start using them. I find they can be heavy at night when I use them, but by the morning the excess oil has absorbed and my hair is soft and full of extra body. I think what a lot of people do is go ahead and wash their hair again. This is definitely not the way to go. The longer you leave your hair between washes, the better, and you will find your hair will get softer. You only need to use a little bit in each wash. I use the bar directly on my scalp and then I massage it to the ends. I rinse and repeat so I don't overload my hair with product. Alternatively, you can create a light lather in your hands, massage it to the ends. A lot of people ask about conditioner. Personally, I find the shampoo bars condition enough because of the natural plant oils. We do though recommend that if you want a bit of extra moisture, maybe some coconut oil in your ends or an apple cider vinegar rinse once in a while. So the most important thing to remember about our shampoo bars is a little bit goes a long way, and you may find that there's a little bit of a detox time while your hair gets used to them. It's a different approach to hair care, but we've worked really hard in perfecting these little bars of plant oil goodness, so they shampoo and condition without the use of palm oil, animal products, detergents, sulfates and plastics. So you're not only ditching the plastic bottles, you're also avoiding those other nasties, doing your bit for the planet.